We got 2014 Ram TPMS reset. First things first, inflate everything to 39. Then get your TPMS tool here. Once it's all inflated, go through the process, hit OK, and then do your relearn procedure. So we're showing 2, even though I inflated it up to 39. So that's why we do the OBD Relearn. As you guys can see, it's starting to do its thing here. Almost finished here. Once this is complete, then this will be complete. So, saying that right idea is successful, please proceed with the following steps until OBD Relearn is successful. It's okay. Reading center ID. OBD Relearn are successful. See, we're all at 39 here. Let's turn this truck on. Let's make sure we're good. So we clear that out here. And drive to reset to display the time.